When the S2000W scanner is first powered on or has been reset to factory defaults, the setup procedure will automatically start. Step 1 of setting up the device is to pick your language. If you cancel out of the setup screens at this point, the default of the device will be wired Ethernet, a wireless access point, and a USB device. We recommend you use the Setup Wizard. If you have been provided an easy setup document, choose that on the screen and scan it. If you don't have an easy setup document, we recommend using the Setup Wizard to configure the device. First, let's go through a wired connection. Next is a wireless connection. If you don't want to be connected to the network, choose USB only. However you connect, the next steps are to choose your power saving options, and then you can set an admin password. A web-based setup utility is available, and for more details, you should see the user's manual.